So I want to get into what I mean about the differences between academic goals, professional goals, and personal goals. And I want to look at a particular scholarly source by Angela Lee Duckworth and James J. Gross. And that source is titled Self-Control and Grit, Related but Separable Determinants of Success. And we're going to get into a few key quotes from that scholarly source. And in that source, the two authors discuss the hierarchical goal framework. And at the bottom, you see actions, and then you see lower order goals, and then higher order goals, and then the larger superordinate goal. That's your dominant goal, what you might say your dream or your vision, right? So for instance, you want to become CEO of a company, and your actions might be to start off with a little business of your own, right? And then you take coursework, you complete different levels, and you set maybe a 5-year goal, then a 10-year goal, and then the ultimate goal would be that it took you about 25 years to become a CEO. And you see that a lot with CEOs of major companies, that they work themselves from the bottom, right? They work their way up from the bottom, and they were, I don't know, in the mailroom in the beginning of their start. They took on an entry-level position. They were in the mailroom, and then they moved up to another level, whatever level that was. They took some courses. They went to school. They completed a degree. And then they moved on up to maybe an administrative level. So they might have started out in the mailroom. Then they became a coordinator, and then a supervisor, a manager, likely a director, vice president, and then now they are CEO, or president and CEO. So that's what we want to look at in terms of the hierarchical goal framework, and how you can then set your academic, professional, and personal goals.